The IC India is hosting the 37th Executive Committee meeting of ASEC on September 25th and 26th, 2019, followed by the celebration of ASEC's 20th anniversary there. The inauguration session will be addressed by Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. After the inauguration session, there will be two seminars on the same day, September 27th. One on improvement of engineering governance through common ethics standards. So here it's very important to mention that the topic of seminar derived from our internal activity. There's a technical committee. So we have one technical committee on this particular theme.